Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Wise Business Account, a popular option for entrepreneurs and companies who want to manage international payments easily. Let's see if it's really the right choice for your business. What it is. The Wise Business Account is an online financial service that helps businesses send, receive, and manage money across borders at lower costs compared to traditional banks. Its main goal is to make international transactions simple, fast, and affordable. How it works. With a Wise Business Account, you can hold money in multiple currencies, pay invoices, receive client payments, and even get local account details in different countries. Wise uses the real mid-market exchange rate, which means no hidden markups, just a small transparent fee. You can also integrate it with tools like Xero for smoother bookkeeping. Who it's for. It's perfect for freelancers, startups, and small to medium-sized businesses that deal with international clients or suppliers. If your work involves sending or receiving money abroad regularly, this account could save you a lot on fees. What people are saying. Most users highlight the low fees, transparency, and speed of transactions. On the flip side, some mention occasional account verification delays and limited customer support response times. Pros. Real mid-market exchange rate with no hidden fees. Hold and manage multiple currencies. Integrates with popular accounting tools. Faster and often cheaper than traditional banks. Cons. No physical branches. Customer support can sometimes be slow. Larger businesses may find the features limited. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you're running a business with international transactions, Wise Business Account is a cost-effective and trustworthy option. Just be prepared for occasional delays in support. That's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts on Wise Business in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews.